welcome back to the channel Love with Science. So here I am Vedang Agarwal. So today we are going to show you displacement reaction. Yes friends, displacement reaction between iron and copper. So friends, in earlier classes you have also studied that when we drop an iron nail in the copper sulfate solution, so after some time we will observe that the color of that solution becomes green and copper is deposited on the iron nail. So in today's experiment we are going to show you this only. So let's begin with the experiment. So friends, as you can see, I have taken all the materials which are required in the experiment. So you can see that I have taken copper sulfate crystals of copper sulfate. You can see. Sulfuric acid. Two droppers. Water. Measuring beaker. Iron nail. So let's begin with the experiment. The first step is you have to add about 20 ml of water in the beaker. Friends, I have filled add the water in the measuring unit so that I can get accurate measure of water. So you can see that I have taken 20 ml water. So in the second step, I have added 2 gram of copper sulfate crystals. So now I will shake it well so that it forms copper sulfate solution. Okay, 1 minute. You can see I am shaking. Or if you want to shake them well, you can use test tube also. Ooh, you can see. So friends, you can see I have made it copper sulfate solution and its color is also blue. So friends, the third step is you have to add 4 to 5 drops of diluted sulfuric acid. This one friends, diluted sulfuric acid. So I am adding 4 to 5 drops of diluted sulfuric acid in the copper sulfate solution with the help of dropper. And friends, if you are using a dropper to add any solution, to add some drops of other solution in the another solution, first you should clean the dropper with the water. So friends, you can see I have taken diluted sulfuric acid in the dropper. Now I am adding 4 to 5 drops of diluted sulfuric acid in the copper sulfate solution. So friends, I have added 5 drops of diluted sulfuric acid in the copper sulfate solution. So the fourth step is you have to add iron nail to the, or you have to drop an iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. You can see you have to drop a clean iron nail. No, okay friends, so I'm taking out the iron nails. So friends, you can see the iron nail is completely cleaned. So now I am dropping the iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. You can see my iron nail is completely dipped into the copper sulfate solution. So friends, to see the displacement reaction, we have to wait for half an hour. So after half an hour, we will see a displacement reaction. And we also see that the now its color is blue. After displacement reaction, its color changes to green and copper will deposit on the iron nail. So friends, please wait for half an hour. We again meet after half an hour. After half an hour, you can see the color of copper sulfate solution becomes little green. So now I am taking out the iron nail which we dropped in the copper sulfate solution. So you can see the iron nail becomes reddish brown in color. This is because the copper is deposited in the, over the iron nail. So friends, this is called the displacement reaction. And friends, this is a very simple experiment. You can do it also at your home or in your school lab. But you should have copper sulfate and diluted sulfuric acid. So friends, now I am telling you the findings of this experiment, and after that I will explain you the whole experiment. So friends, now I am going to tell you the findings of this experiment, means that what you have find in the whole experiment. So the findings of this experiment is the blue color solution of copper sulfate first fades and then changes to green, and a brown deposit is formed on the shaving blade. So the shaving blade means that the iron nail. So this is a shaving blade also. So now I am going to explain you the whole experiment. Copper metal. As you know that copper is a metal and its color is brown. So copper metal, which is brown in color, is deposited on the shaving blade due to its displacement from copper sulfate by iron. This line means that you have studied in class 8 that copper is a metal and it is brown in color. So when we put an iron nail or drop an iron nail in the copper sulfate solution, so it shows displacement reaction. The copper is deposited on the iron nail and the solution becomes the iron sulfate solution. So friends, this is iron sulfate solution. So the chemical name of iron sulfate solution is ferric chloride. This is also the salt solution of iron. So friends, now I am going to tell you the chemical equation of this experiment. So first, copper sulfate plus iron forms iron sulfate plus copper. The color of copper sulfate is blue, color of iron is grey, and color of iron sulfate is little green, and the color of copper is brown. So friends, now I wish that you all understood the whole experiment. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe it, share it and like it. So bye.